darkness surrounds us and we encounter
a dark Flash. Or is it a dark Batman?
We don't know. Let's find out together in this week's comic book of the week. Those of you that are familiar with the events of the classic Crisis on Infinite Earths know that an Earth fell under the red skies, and that was soon a note, a harbinger of its upcoming death. We are introduced
to the Dark Multiverse, a universe built on evil and death destruction.
A poor and sad reflection of the bright DC multiverse. And this multiverse is one where we find a Batman who's lost everything and is forced to fuse with Barry Allen the Flash. And this Batman, this Red Death, comes to our world for suspicious and probably fatal reasons, along with others. This issue is spooky and scary and truly terrifying, and I find myself being torn apart between Barry Allen and the Batman in this dark monstrosity. Is the art scary? Yes, it's very, very scary, very, very frightening, and as a result, it grips you. And I'm curious to see what the other dark Batman will be like, as this very horrifying league is gonna push the DC heroes to their very limit. Speed kills, as we can see with this dark character. A night of death. A night of swift death.
And all we can hope to is run off, and hopefully he doesn't catch us.
Alright guys, well that's all for now. I hope your day is not so dark and dreary, but rather light and hopeful. And I invite you to follow me across all my social media at Lord Coyote 2000. And may your days, as I said, be bright and not dark. Take care now.
Bye.